Tired of just slashing and sailing? It's time to unleash your inner performer because we're diving deep into the world of Blox Fruits emotes. First things first, let's get the basics down. To access the emote menu, simply press the / key. This will bring up a chat box where you can type in the command for the emote you want to use. Now, what emotes are available? Well, some of the most common ones are dance for a groovy move, wave for a friendly hello, and laugh for, well, laughing. Type these commands exactly as they are shown, and hit enter. Experiment with different emotes in different locations. Try dancing on top of a castle, waving to NPCs, or even laughing after defeating a tough boss. It's all about expressing yourself and having fun. Emotes aren't just for fun, they can be a great way to taunt opponents after winning a battle, though do so at your own risk. A well-timed laugh or boast can really get under their skin, but remember to keep it respectful, or you might find yourself with a new enemy. Keep an eye out for less common emotes too. Sometimes, certain events or game updates will introduce new and unique expressions. Experiment and see what you can find. You never know what hidden gems are out there. And that's it. You are now well on your way to becoming a Blox Fruits emote master. So go forth, express yourself, and dominate the seas with style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blox Fruits tips and tricks.